Hello children, welcome back to maths class. I hope you are seeing all my videos, aren't you? Are you enjoying seeing them? Yes? Okay, so today we are going to do a new color. Do you know what is the color of the day? Guess? Okay, do you want to play a game? So children, you have to guess the color of the day. You know how? I have this ball and I'm going to hit this ball on one of these bottles. The bottle that falls down will be the color of the day. Okay? So let us count. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Which color fell down? That is green color. Yes. So green is the color of the day. And you know children, that's my favorite color. Children, as you all know, the color of the day is green. Yes. And do you know green is my favorite color. And today someone has come to meet you. Do you want to meet her? Yes, so come on, close your eyes and she will come and surprise you. Close your eyes, close your eyes. On the count of 3, when I say 1, 2, 3, you are going to open your eyes. Okay, so close your eyes like this. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. Hi, who's this? Say hello. Hello everyone. Hello children. Do you want to know her name? Who is she? She is Greeno. Yes, her name is Greeno. Say hi to Greeno. Hi. Hello children. Also saying hello to you. Yeah. Oh Greeno, but you are looking so sad today. What happened? Do you want to know why she is sad? Greeno? Oh, she's so soft. Do you know what happened? What happened, Greeno? Oh, you can tell me in my ears what has gone wrong. Why are you so sad? Wait, I'll tell you. Oh, you know what has happened? Greeno is finding her baby. She was fast asleep when her baby just went somewhere from there. Can you help Greeno find her baby? Yes, so we are going to help Greeno find her baby. Okay, Greeno, first you have to look around everywhere and then you'll be able to find your baby. Okay, so let us see where Greeno is. Greeno started looking for her baby. Oh baby, where are you? Mama is calling, come here. She searched the whole day and now it was late afternoon and she was so tired. Oh, I'm so tired and hungry too. Can you help me find some food? Yes? Look, there's a cabbage here. Green cabbage. Wow! I love to eat cabbage. I'm going to eat this cabbage, whole of it. Yum, 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 yum. And she ate all her cabbage. And she was so relieved. At least something went inside her stomach. And then she started searching for her baby again. Oh baby, where are you? Then she saw a capsicum. Wow, green capsicum. Oh, I love to eat capsicum. I'm going to have whole of it. Yum, 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 yum. Yes, it is so delicious. Wow, now where can I see my baby? I'm still not able to find her. Oh baby, where are you? Oh, what is this? This is a bottle goat. Yes, wow, green bottle goat. I'm going to eat this too. I'm so hungry. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, my stomach is so full. But if I get to eat something else, I can also keep it for my baby. Oh, baby, where are you? Oh, look, what is this? Green, green ladyfinger. Wow! I want to eat this. I want to eat this. Yum, 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 yum. Yes, so I have become strong. You know, if you eat a lot of vegetables, you become strong. We should all have green vegetables. Yes. Oh, baby, where are you? Now, when she was searching for her baby, she came near a lake where she saw 5 speckled frogs. Yes. Hello, frog. Hello, frogs. Hello, speckled frogs. Hi, my name is Greeno. You know, I have lost my baby. Have you seen my baby anywhere? So what did the frog say? Oh yes, we have seen your baby. We have seen a small baby tortoise swimming inside this pool. See, look for her inside. Baby, are you inside? Oh yes, I can see her. Where is she? Oh, yay! See, I have found my baby. Where were you? You should not have gone without telling me, you naughty little girl. Now come on, let's go home. Okay, Mama, let's go home. So, Greeno was very happy to find her little baby, and both of them went home. Okay, children, I hope you enjoyed Greeno and his story. Now, do you want to see some more green objects? Yes. So, close your eyes again. I have a superhero. Do you want to know his name? Okay, let me guess if you know his name or not. I don't think so you know his name. He's a superhero and he is green in color. So let us meet him. Ooh, who is he? Do you know him? Yes, you know him. His name is Hulk. What is his name? Hulk. Yes, look at his muscles. He's so strong. Do you want to become strong like him? Yes, you know what he eats. If you want to become strong, you have to eat lots of fruits, vegetables, and healthy food. Then only you will be strong. But yes, you will not turn into green like he has. Now, why he is green, for this, you have to watch the movie. And the name of the movie is The Hulk. Okay, so say bye to Hulk. Bye. Okay, now see what I have. I have a green pouch. Yes, see, I have green pouch, and inside this I have different sketch pens. See, lots of colors. And let me see if I have a green color in this. Yes, see, green sketch pen. See, this is a marker. It is green in color. Yes. So, let us close this. And now, close your eyes. Some more things are green. Woo, what is this? This is a book. Yes. And what is the color of this book? Yes, it is green in color. And One more thing I have. What is this? This is, yes, these are your poster colors. And which color is this? Can you tell me? Yes, this is green in color. Okay. And one more thing. Oh, what is this? This is a bottle. It's a game. Yes, it's a bowling game where you have different color bottles. So this is a, which color bottle is this? Yes, this is a green bottle. Okay, now let me see what we have more. Please. Oh, what is this? Ooh, you all have this? These days, children love to play with this. It's a fidget spinner. Yes, see. And can you tell me how it's going? It's all going round and round. It's spinning. Yeah. So what is the color of this? This is also green in color. Okay, now I have one more thing which I think the boys will like. And it is a robot, a transformer. Yes, he can kill everyone. And what is the color of this? Yes, it is also green. Say bye to him. Bye. Children, you know, when you look around your surroundings, you will find many green objects. When you go outside in your balcony, you will see so many green trees and so many green plants. The grass is green, the plants are green. See, even I have a plant here and it is green in color. Yes. And you know why we should plant trees? Can someone tell me? Yes, because they give us lots of fresh air. They give us oxygen and we breathe oxygen. Yes, so if we need oxygen, we have to plant more and more trees. So everyone should plant seeds, and so that we have more and more plants.
Children, today's rhyme is about 5 speckled frogs. Yes, do you know the color of frogs? Yeah, they are green in color and you know they have black spots on them and they are called speckles. So, we are going to sing a rhyme on 5 speckled frogs.
One, two, three, 4, 5. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Look, look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Look, look. 1, 2, 3. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Yup, yup.
color? Yes? Okay. What you have to do? You have to look around your house, search your toys, search your clothes, search everywhere and send me pictures of any two green objects. Okay? Till then, bye. Hello children, how are you all? Are you ready to have some fun with the coloring activity? Yes, now today's activity is about magic water. You know what is magic water? Come, I'll tell you. Priyanshi, what do you have with you?
I have colors
Which all colors do you have?
blue and yellow.
And what is there in this glass?
Water.
Water. And in this plate, what do you have?
I have brushes.
Brushes. So for this activity we need a glass of water, a yellow and blue color and 2 paint brushes. Okay, now do you want to see the magic? Okay, Priyanshi will help us show you the magic. First, Priyanshi is going to take a brush and yellow color and mix it in the water.
So we will take yellow color, take a brush and put yellow color in the water.
So what is the color of this water now?
Yellow.
Yellow. So we have put yellow color inside water. It's become yellow. Okay. Now what do we have to do? We have to take another brush and
Mix blue color in yellow.
okay. And now we'll take some blue color and mix it in the water along with yellow color. Now let us see the magic. Ooh, what is this color?
Green.
What is the water changed to? Which color has it changed to? Green color. Did you see, Priyanshi? Isn't it a magic water? Yes? Children, okay, even you can do this magic at home and show it to your parents. The name of this activity is Magic Water. Bye.
The thought of the day is nothing will work unless you do. The meaning of this thought is to achieve anything in life, you need to work hard to make it happen. No one is going to do the work for you. So, work hard, and that is the only way to success.